Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem Jingkhuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala, Ubakmi Yakatanat Kampoying, Uba Preston Tensong, Ulapata Yaki Borsen Char Jongka West, Jingknieh Hills District, Ban Pintigna, Badai Ban Burom Yaka Status Quo, Haka Jaka Balami, Ka Jingyekan A Naka Jingtung Tenraiding, Daka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Uba Preston Ulaong, Bayakanika Kam Ladep Banyapenbed, Hadin ba Deputy Commissioner, but Superintendent of Police, Kila Tuklar, Mardor Yaka Jingja Ha Lapangap.
Yes, that one we have already instructed DC and the SP, and both of them they were on site, and the issue has been resolved. It was just because of that tree plantation. So now it is resolved, and again these people, I think the Waheshnong and all, they'll be meeting me tomorrow. So let me meet them again and then we'll discuss. Well, that village itself, I am yet to confirm. That village itself, it of course it is within Meghalaya, but it seems that portion which the plantation takes place, it seems it was, it was claimed by Karbi Anglong District Council or by Assam. But as I said to you, the mistake done by these people from Assam, they did not consult, they did not even inform the counterpart. So ultimately I told DC that make sure from now on that whatever in the area of differences, this has to be at least mutually agreed. Wherever the project happen, let them do it, but with prior information, be it from Meghalaya and be it from Assam. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that is there. In fact, this status quo agreement signed is for the interest of both sides. Those people who stays in these such differences area, they need to respect their thing. They need to respect the status quo or the agreement made. So therefore, we have already instructed from our side, the district administration, both DC and the SP, to make sure that the status quo has to be respected both sides. Not necessarily only police, of course, who can resolve the issue. If the boundary issue is not resolved, I don't think that is a permanent solution for resolution of the problem. So therefore, I think the priority for both the government is to resolve the issue of the boundary. Once that is done, then I'm very sure this kind of problem will not happen again. Because see, this one, the chairman is being led by Sangop Halan Dahab. So I think he must be the best person to tell you exactly when are they going to meet up with the counterpart and to proceed further about the solution of that.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.